Abdicate. Meaning, abdicate means to formally give up or renounce one's position, authority, or responsibility, especially by a monarch or ruler. Definition: abdicate is a verb that describes the act of renouncing or giving up power, a position, or responsibility, particularly in the context of leadership or authority. Examples in sentences. 1. The king decided to abdicate the throne. Here, abdicate refers to the king giving up his position as ruler. 2. The CEO was forced to abdicate his role after the company faced major financial issues. In this sentence, abdicate refers to the CEO resigning from his position. Usage. Abdicate is often used when referring to someone in a position of power or authority, giving up or renouncing their role, usually in a formal or public manner.